bunga ng ilog. Pangalan niya Puyoy. The water here is brackish. It is combination with salt water and fresh water. Here in Sabang we have mangrove. These are all mangrove. Local name Bakawan. We have more or less 4 to 5 hectares of mangrove forest, primary groups. These are all natural mangrove not planted. Hindi siya sir itinanim.
Ito madaming tamilok ko dito.
Yes sir, but we get them on the log. Nakukuha natin siya sa log para we use palakulin pa yun sir para makuha.
Oh, okay.
They are on the log that is covered with water if it is high tide. Papalakulin yun sir sa log. Kung nakadala tayo sa palakol, kung alam namin na gusto niya makakita. It's low tide, that's why that's it. And this is mangrove forest is also sanctuary of wildlife and it's a breeding place of fish.
Wala akong ano dito, walang crocodile.
Wala sir kasi bago kami magpasimula dito, nagkandak kami ng survey ng ranger sa crocodile farm istik. Wala ang crocodile, kung may crocodile huli nila, dali nila sa farm. Dali na sir kayo sa farm.
Ay hindi pa.
Crocodile farm.